Fall lawn renovation. I somewhat scalp the lawn and mow at 3 inches to make it easier to dethatch. I use the Sunjoe electric dethatcher. Rip the cover off the machine, this way it does not clog. Yes, it will eject directly at you. Put goggles on. Use it like a vacuum. If you pull it backward, it will grab all the thatch. Then go forward to release it all. Blow it into separate nearby piles. I'd say a few thousand square feet at a time. Clean up all the thatch. We're lucky and get to chuck all this in the woods. I'm only recording about a fifth of our property. This was a lot of work and a ton of thatch. One final mow at 2.5 inches sucks up any remaining thatch. More to follow tomorrow.